Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Today we're going to learn about setup number series, which is a last topic in setup code functionality in setup Business Central, which is the first part. And then after that we're going to go towards the dimensions. So what is number series? So number series is used extensively to provide numbers to master data, documents and other transactions through Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. If we check, for example, chart accounts. So chart account is normally the core of every business, you can say that, which shows all the accounts and everything. So you can see here, it's got different kind of series here. If you keep going down, you will see different numbers, but these are called number series here. So we're going to learn how it works with number series today. So these numbers, numbering is important for more than just identification. A well-designed numbering system also makes the company like this. You can see the numbers. Also makes the company more manageable and easier to analyze, and you can reduce the number of errors that occurs in the entry. Basically, this is the core. I mean, you can say that the numbering system is to check everything, to check for auditing purposes. Is used on almost every document, in Business Central. So we're going to go and search for number series in tab option. Number series. There we go. So we already got these number series here. So let's learn the basics. That's the code, which is a number series code. That's the description of number series. Then starting number and ending number, it shows from underlying number series line pages, and you got default. You can have a default numbers as well, and manual numbers, and you can also have date orders and all this information. Yeah. So we'll slowly learn what are these, and obviously the information about that. So to start with, we're going to just start a process to press new. Let's say we want to make a new series for anything. We can say, let's say, customer underscore series. No. And customer series. When you click that, it's going to ask for different information, like when do you want this to start, and do you want a start date as well? Yeah. And then you can have starting them from customer underscore series. Or you can just simply put a number there. So let's say you want to put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros in that. And where you want to end it, 9, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. So that's the number starting from, and that's the ending number there. And last date, you can say we want it till next November, like that. And then that you can use if you want to specify the last number that was used from the number series. The warnings, if you want to put any warnings, you can put the warnings. Increment by number, you can put anything. If you increment by 1 or 2 or 3, you can do that. You want to allow the gaps in between, you click that and you put the gaps in between as well, and this is open. So if you close that, because it's automatically saved. So you can see customer series is created from this to this, and on that date is done. So the other thing I want to mention is that our series is this. Obviously, we don't want to make it default because we have already got the customer series, which is on top. So ours is this one. The top should be the default numbers. If you want to put anything manual numbers, you can do that and date orders, and you allow gaps, then you can click here as well. So sometimes you might have to assign more than one code to a single number series for the same kind of basic information or transactions. I mean, if this situation occurs, then you can create a relationship between the related codes. So number series relationship offers the ability to use one of the related numbers where another related number series is typically used. So you can go there and add relationships. So you're gonna do the relationship between these two. So the customer's already there, and you can create another one, like let's say customer series. Yeah. So now we created this series as well. We're gonna check the last set of this one. So that should be matching, because if it's a relationship, that should be the same kind of dates. Possibly it helps the series to start from backdated or the last date as well. So we go back to the customers. Let's see if we can check the series. Customers. Let's say you're gonna make a new customer. Yeah, that's fine. So if you click that, we got two series available. One is already created, one we selected it. If you do that, it's gonna ask you, your change might update related records, which can take a while. Do you want to continue? If you say yes, then it's going to obviously change the series number. Here you go. You can see the new series, what we created, 123001. So that's like creating a relationship between two series. That it's kind of same thing. If you want to create a new series for anything, you can do for resources, which you can do for vendors, you can do for sales, purchase orders, anything you name it, they must have they should have a number series. It's just for auditing purposes. Another example I can show you of number series is probably GL account. So GL register probably give us a good idea of the register. So archive one, let's check this one. It will give us the good example how it works in the series. So you can see all these GL accounts. It's a register, so it's all these GL accounts, journal ledger accounts, different series numbers here. So look at that. It's going all the way down. It's got different series. Another example, you can also see the purchase orders. You can see the series is 106001, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's incremented by one number as well. So this is basically you can set up a number series, which is important for auditing purposes, reporting purposes, or any purposes you take in the Business Central. You will see any page, most of the pages. Wherever you click, you will see somewhere you will see this number series. It's important because it links the accounts, and obviously in a way that you can track where is this entry coming from, what's the number series. So it can be, basically you can say it can be identification number. So thank you for watching my video.